This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a really easy one. We're going to be replacing a bake element on a Hotpoint 24-inch electric oven. It's really easy to do. Make sure you have the oven unplugged or you have the breaker turned off. Confirm to make sure there's no power going to that element before you start your work. You're going to use a 1/4-inch driver to pull out these two 1/4-inch screws, and once you get those out, you'll be able to just wiggle the element out towards you. It's got two wires connected to it, so be a little careful. Just grab it and gently bring it out towards you. Kind of wiggle it until those two spade connectors come out, and then you can grab them and just pull off the two spade connectors. We'll put a link to the new element in the description below the video. So we're just going to pull those two off, and if they don't come off easily, you can use a pair of pliers to help you get them off too, or a standard head screwdriver to kind of pry them off. And you can see this old one had some damage though. That's why it wasn't heating anymore. So the new one goes into position. Just put the spade connectors on one by one and make sure they're fully seated. Get them on there as far as they're going to go. And that's what's bringing the voltage to the element when you turn on a bake. And then we're just going to push that back in the firewall, and then we're going to add those two 1/4-inch screws to hold it in position. I noticed that this element was a little bit bent when I installed it. It was having the element touch down on the bottom plate of the oven, which you don't want. You don't want there to be any contact between the element and the body of the oven. So once I installed the screws, I used a little bit of pressure to bend the element up. They're somewhat flexible, so you can gently bend that metal up, and now there's no more contact, so that's going to work great. I'd never seen that before, so maybe it got bent during shipping. Usually when you get them, they're really straight. So just making sure those are tight. And that's pretty much it. It's a very fast, easy repair. We're going to put those trays back into position and close it up, and then we'll go ahead and plug it back in. There's the 220 plug, and we're going to push it in using our legs to get it, slide it back into position. This is a little bit smaller of an oven than normal, just a 24-incher. They work pretty good. We turned it on and it ended up heating up really good. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps you too. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.